The sun is up. It is bright in here. Happy first day of school. I know, shocker. I am back in school. Woo! I guess this is my formal announcement video of me being back in school. I'm gonna set you guys up here. I am a student again at my community college. I am taking a writing class. It's kind of a complicated story that I'm gonna explain in a second. Yeah, I woke up at like 6:30 today and I, for some reason, thought class was at 10, and now I just opened up my class page and I think it's at 9. I'm just making sure I don't have to like do anything. All right, I think I have to introduce myself to the class. At this point, I've done so many of these like introductions to the class, I should just have something saved and then I can just copy paste. I have 25 minutes to do this, so I'm just gonna do this really quickly and then I'll explain this for you guys. And I should probably get out of bed and not do school in bed. I know. I will.
She says it's giving her pleasure to be near me. She only tells never shows. She's really changing the rules of how to do things and what not to do.
All right, I am halfway out of my pajamas, so that is better than nothing. As you guys saw, I dropped my laptop again. I did finish my discussion posts and my discussion reply. I felt like mine was probably really cheesy, but it's fine. I'm really like in this underprepared for school state. I think I have a notebook in here somewhere. This is gonna work. A pencil, maybe a highlighter. We got 10 minutes till class. I want my water. Whew. I think I'm gonna turn my camera on. I always feel bad for the teacher when no one has their camera on, like especially the first day of class. I'm just gonna turn on my Zoom. So I am taking Writing 121. You guys may be wondering, Kiara, why you're taking entry-level writing class? Haven't you graduated college? What ended up happening was that my ACT score, I scored high enough on the writing portion where University of Oregon was like, cool, the girl doesn't need to take the class. You can just jump into Writing 122. So I was like, why am I gonna waste my time taking a writing class? I'm just gonna do my requirements. Let me just take Writing 122. And that is why I never took Writing 121. And the reason why I'm taking it now is two reasons. One, when I reapplied to nursing schools, a lot of the ADN programs, so the Associate of Nursing programs, one of the requirements is Writing 121. Maybe I could get it waived. Like some of the schools were saying we could try to pull something else and get it waived for you, but it's complicated and I just really don't want to be like a complicated applicant after the amount of like strings I had to pull to try to like cover some of these classes last time I applied, and I'm tired of it. So this next time I just want it to be more seamless. And then the other reason is one of the schools that I want to apply to has a requirement for 9 communication credits and I only have 6 because I have my Writing 122 and a grammar class that was 2 credits. So I need this 4-credit class to bump me up to 9 so I can apply. It's a 2-for-1. We're gonna take this class. Probably good for me to keep up with my academic writing. Hopefully it's not gonna be too difficult. We will conquer. That is the story of why I am back in school. I might also take statistics because of a similar reason. School is really expensive and this has totally taught me to like appreciate my time and try to get something out of this class because yeah, it cost me like $500 even at community college every time I want to take a class. We're just gonna sit here, enjoy the class. Oh my god, this is so cute. I get to like make my little title again. My handwriting's not as good as expected. I'm gonna be in class, so I will talk to you guys once we're done.
My guess is you guys are in this class because there were about 450 classes you could choose from, and you thought, you know what I really want to take? It's Writing 121. That's just the funnest, best class possible.
Woohoo, first day is done. It's actually a really good class. I feel like I've been in quite a few Zoom classes now and it's pretty rare to get the class united or feel like they're friends. But our teacher was so cool and he asked everyone, what keeps you up at night? And we all had to go around and like share. I liked the question so much and it was really cool to see how everyone struggles with similar things that keep them up at night. So that's gonna be today's question of the day. It's going to be what keeps you up at night. You have to leave it down below in the comments. Especially in this class because I know it's like an entry level class. It is really inspiring to see these people who have really crazy lives, who have children, who are going back to school. I just think it's so amazing. It's 10, but I'm like starving. I'm gonna figure out what I can have for food. Maybe I'll make myself like an oatmeal or something. And then I might get organized with some of this school stuff and talk about Identity, which is actually the sponsor of this video. I'm really excited because I've been using their site to help organize my computer and my to-do list. I'm trying to go a little bit more digital. That way I can like access my calendar on my phone or on my computer, wherever I'm at, which is great. I think later tonight I'm gonna try to meet up with Katie and play tennis because it's beautiful in Oregon. You can see the sun shining.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go.
Am I eating a salad at 10:35 in the morning? Yes, I am. I do this sometimes because I think lunch is better than breakfast. I really splurged at the store the other day and I got beet spirals, which is what is in my salad. I'm feeling like this one's pretty fancy. Gotta get a little bit of everything. The cucumber, I gotta find a tomato. This is a large bite.
A crowd, everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night. I'm gonna quit my job. Never wanna have no boss.
You guys, I'm so excited because I just got so organized. I just basically decluttered my entire computer and made my life so beautifully organized and everything with Identity. Very excited about this new website. You're gonna set up your homepage, personalize it just for you, exactly how you like it. So I'm gonna show you some of the features of what I did. So here is my home screen. As you can see, I have all of these different tiles set up. They're all customized. Identity aims to cut down on distractions. So instead of having a bunch of different tabs open or having to navigate through a bunch of different clicks to say upload a YouTube video or something, it makes it so easy. So as you can see, I have each tile linked. So I have normal YouTube, and then I have upload a YouTube video, and then I have YouTube Studio. So these are all different things. I can actually click on upload a YouTube video and it goes directly to my home screen where then I can select my files and it's super quick and easy. I use this search bar to basically type in whatever I want. So I have social media here and it'll pop up all of the things that are categorized under social media. I have YouTube, I have video stuff, I have finance under here. School is another category that I use a ton because I have so many different websites that I use for school. I also love that you can link a specific YouTube channel. So I really like Level Up RN. Sometimes I'll watch her videos. So it's linked right there. Or if you ever hear about a website that you want to utilize more, you can create a tile so easily and you just type in whatever you want and then you can link directly to it. Identity also has a calendar feature and this notes and list feature, which I love so much because I have all of these different things that I'm involved in and I can really easily click on something and see a little to-do list. It's also so satisfying, like you literally can check the boxes as you go. I just think this is so helpful. Sometimes I think of like random stuff that I need to buy or order and you can basically organize all of your lists in one place. I even have YouTube branding goals here. If I'm ever kind of at a loss of like what I want to work on, I can go there and select it. Identity can also hold all of your passwords through the website, so it makes it really easy just to click and go. They really help organize and simplify everything so you can stay focused when you're on the internet, not get as distracted. If you guys want to check out Identity and get organized for yourself, I really recommend it. There's a lot of different ways to use this site. It's free to use for your first 40 tiles and notes, so you can go on, try it out, and see how nice it is to have such a clean homepage. You guys can click the link in my description to get started. It's really easy to set up and it's really fun. That's what I've been working on. I'm putting all of my class deadlines and homework assignments in here. So as I go, I can check the boxes, not miss any of my deadlines. It's official. I've gotten stir crazy here. I need to get out of the house. And to do so, I'm gonna go run some errands. I have, oh yeah, also don't look at this closet. This is my disorganized closet with all my ski stuff in it. I thought would never see the light of day, but here we are, just really being open with you guys. I have one of those closets. What I came here for was a bag. I have to make a return and I am getting a gift for someone. We got the dress that was not cute on. Let us go.
Yeah, I don't think they know that's my word. I don't think they know that's my word. Big on the set, what they said, but so I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the Chit.
All right, we are back from the shopping spree. It wasn't much of a spree, but it was really productive. Returned the expensive dress. I'll show you guys what I got instead. Also, when I was exiting the mall, a subscriber came up to me and said hi. She was just the sweetest. So if you're watching this, hi. It was so weird because I told her, I was like, I have this feeling that I'm gonna like run into someone who knows me today. I don't know why. Returned the dress, got these fun pants that I showed in the clip before. I'm gonna go on a shoot with my photographer Steph soon, and I needed something new, like a new little outfit, new pair of pants to spice it up. The most productive thing I did was I got my friend's wedding gift. There's a woman who works at Nordstrom's and I always see her. She works in like the home decor section and she's so nice. And she was like, go downstairs and they have free gift wrap. So I got this bad boy wrapped. She looks gorgeous. And I already have her card, but I got her a Smeg toaster. And I originally got her like the matte black color until I found her registry. There was a green color toaster on it. Not a Smeg one, but a different one. So I figured, well, if she wants the green color, we gotta get her what she wants. So Sam, I hope you like your gift. I'm really excited about it and I think it's adorable. It's 4:30 now. I think I'm gonna run home. I can't decide if I should like make dinner early because I'm gonna be too tired to make it later, which is maybe what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna go outside and play tennis. Let's go meal prep some dinner.
Big on the set, what they said, but so I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the Chit. With the kid, know I got to get paid. Tell me, can you slide for a real one? Slide for me, slide for me. Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for me, slide for me. Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for baby, say I'm making nervous. Maybe cause I'm real on the surface. Maybe cause I'm 10 down where the turf is. Don't get lost in those facades on the guys. You know ain't nobody perfect.
I have chefed up my delicious dinner here. I'm gonna link the recipe down below if you guys wanna try it. My friend Leah actually told me about the website. It's called Love and Lemons. They've got a bunch of cool recipes. She suggested to put pesto on top, so I'm probably gonna do like a little spoonful of this pesto. Let's see if I can eat this without burning my mouth off. It's really hot, but it's really good. Total comfort meal right here.
Break, say word. Hit me when you through with that. Then we can shift again. My schedule been clear. This is see me there.
Now we're both filming. I brought you dinner if you wanna have some later.
Said what I said. Eyes low off the legal and the red web. Put the leg room and the roof gone. Man, I came a long way from them deals off the group.
We're here with Katie Mack playing tennis.
Not very good.
We're not very good, but we just like to have fun. Do we do warm up short court or you just want to do the big court?
Big court.
Okay.
We should do warm up short.
Okay.
That smile's gonna be the end of me. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. Let's take each other out.
Can you put this in my bag? Thanks. I'm gonna end the video here. That is what I did today. Thank you guys for watching.
That is what I did today.
Give this video a thumbs up. Follow Katie's YouTube channel.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Go check out in the description box Identity. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. It's really cool. I'll have to show you what I did. I'm just gonna go home, shower, go to bed, watch a movie maybe.
Ooh,
I don't know.
look at you.
I don't know. It's gonna be an early night. I'm gonna get some good sleep. Set my alarm for 6:30 today. So I've been up for a while.
Same. I
Yeah.
woke at 6.
My new thing
Look
is
at us.
going to
We're
bed early
productive
and getting
girls.
up.
My new thing's
early.
going to bed late and getting up early.
That's bad. Don't do that.
All right, love you, vlog.
Oh yeah, tomorrow we go skiing, so we really do have to wake up early. Close. Okay, love you guys. Bye.
Bye, vlog.
Only worry that I'm crazy. 'Cause if it's all true, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying. 'Cause I hate wasting time. You said